I said it small. We are back again. You feel me with another video.
Gang gang.
And today, my bad guys, I gotta fix the camera. Ooh, so sorry, guys, so sorry. And today we back with a mukbang. You feel me? Whoa, the camera just keep dropping down. You feel me? We're back with a mukbang. You feel me? And today, I don't know what we're going to talk about, but we're going to eat and have our little mukbang. You feel me?
Ooh.
So, if y'all ever seen the other video yet, we showed y'all that we made steak and snow crabs. You feel me? So, we're going to get right in it. You feel me? See how it tastes. You feel me? But, guys, we can tell you about each other, okay? My name is Nika, and I'm from Baltimore, Maryland. You feel me? And, I have one child. You feel me? And, my favorite colors and everything is, I like blue. I wear blue every day, 24/7. Like, that's me. I wear blue
all day, every day.
If I'm not wearing that one, another different color, but
black.
You feel me?
Black, y'all. She's wearing black. Oh, Sag Mom, my name is
And this is Chris, everyone.
My name is Chris, y'all, and
I'm trying to put the camera a little bit, guys. Put the camera a little.
You know, cause I'm tall.
He taller. You feel me?
You know, 6'4". Big, you know. But my favorite color is lime green and blue. And
we have a stepson.
I have a stepson.
Me and him together. So yes, if y'all hear him, he in the back
playing the game. He's so in love because I bought it. Every day, all day, 24/7.
Yes.
As soon as I walk in the door, Chris, gang.
That's so baby though. You love him.
I love him to death though. I'm thing. But yeah, I'm from you already know. I'm from LA, you know, California. You already know, big Cali.
But right now he in Baltimore. You feel me?
No, I'm trying to get her to come out there where I was at. You know, so how I live. What's up? Take it to the crib.
Guys, the food is good. You feel me? It's good. It's popping. It's there. It's there.
Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
Don't do that. Don't.
Right now,
we trying to make more videos coming soon. It's just that we don't know what we want to really do with our channel.
So we need some of y'all subscribers
to let us know should we
ring that bell. Already know.
And subscribe. And comment down below. And we do have IG, Facebook. You can hit me at Nika Jackson 24. That's just my IG. And my Facebook is Nika Jackson. You feel me? And
Kingdripgod, you already know. I got the sauce dripping.
What's that for your Facebook? IG?
That's my IG, y'all. Facebook.
It's King.
Damn. Chrisdrippy.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's Quest. It's not even Quest. It is King.
I guess I got to prove a point.
You ain't gotta prove no point to me, cause I know it.
Chrisdrippy.
My bad, guys. My bad. I don't be on his page like that, guys.
She don't.
I really don't.
We got that trust, you know.
You feel me? But I need to go on his page, so I don't need to be on his page.
And I don't do nothing anyway.
You ain't cover 24/7. Every day we wake up, we see each other. If I'm not at his house, he at my house. You feel me? If he at his house and I'm at my house, it's one of us coming to somebody's house. So we gonna come see each other. It's always that. You feel me? It's never that we gonna always not gonna be around each other. All we gonna see is 24/7. You feel me, man? Excuse us. We sorry, savage small. You feel me?
You know, we can't get savages sometimes. You know, we savages.
That's why we call y'all savage smart, because y'all always do what? Doing something stupid. You feel me? But it's good.
You know.
Yo, these is so good. Like,
Make you want to smack your mama.
they is good, y'all. These are so good. I want y'all to write down or hit us on our social media. What we should do. You feel me? We want to do a lot of things. We want to do cooking. We want to do like pranks. We want to do like mukbang, like what we doing right now. We'll do a lot of things. You feel me? It's just that
Q&A.
yeah, we want to do a Q&A, which is like y'all tell us stuff, what y'all want to know about us or stuff like that, and we will. You feel me? Say it. But don't come with that bull.
So you come with that bull?
I'm not coming back with y'all. I'm going to leave it all behind me and let it go. You feel me? You feel me? I'm going to let it all go. Because the only thing y'all hear is going to boost my confidence up. You feel me? I just want to boost it up.
Me? I'm the savage. I might say something.
He going to come back and say something with it on me. And I'm going to stop him because at the end of the day, it's people that...
You always gonna have a hater.
Yes, you feel me? You always gonna have that hater, that vibe, that people that ain't gonna fuck with you. And I need to cut. People that's not gonna mess with you or something that is gonna mess with you on YouTube, you feel me? Or you got fans out here that's gonna mess with you. Some fans not, but they still gonna look at you, still gonna watch you. But why would you watch us if you don't like us? But you wanna watch us anyway because you wanna look at us every day and you wanna see us. So we here. Nika and King is here.
So
I mean,
she's right, I'm a king. But
my bad, because you know, he is like to me. But it's Nika and Chris. You feel me? Get that. Nika and Chris. I didn't mean to say what I said at first, you feel me? I did say Nika. And then, you know what I said, but yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Everything will be alright. Okay. Whoa. You alright, man?
Mm-hmm. Little steak, a little tough there. I cooked it real good. It was a little tough. A little tough. Had to chew it down a little bit.
Chew it down, you feel me? I'm gonna try to come on here like mostly. Trying to come on here every day. I'm gonna try.
Y'all won't see me like because I go to college.
Yeah, he go to college, so it's like I'm a staying home mom. You feel me? So I stay home while he go to college and stuff. But I'm thinking about just doing all the YouTube stuff. When he comes home, we can be on there together.
And I'm at college just so y'all know what I do. How much we cut up at college.
Right now, we're doing all on YouTube. I'm off of a phone right now. But we will be getting everything that we need to start putting everything out there.
Ooh, ain't none. Hold up, don't touch my.
What are you talking about?
If y'all seen that Chris Brown video, y'all know what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say all the parts he said in the song, because, you know, it's YouTube, and we trying to get our subscribers, you know, we can't say but so much on YouTube. So I'm gonna keep it stacked with y'all keep it stacked with us.
You all right?
Alright, gang.
Savage March, you feel me? And let us know. I want to let y'all, let us know. So when we come on our YouTube, we say, gang, Savage March. Because he always do that. He always wants to do this.
Gang.
See, guys, I'm about to use this finger.
Yeah, because she accidentally cut herself.
Yes, because this finger, this finger right here, I cut my finger, so my finger not like normal, like this finger. Like I can bend it. This finger I really cannot bend. Like this finger is really done. See how it's like bendable? It's not always bendable, right? I'll mess my hand up. I'm trying to make some dinner for everybody, not cut my finger. So it's like, it don't look me weird doing like this. Cause my finger not always, my finger not always down. See? I don't like this, so it's like, it's this, different thing. You feel me? But I want everybody to do, like this video, subscribe to this channel, press that bell, that notification, and comment down below. Bye, Savage March.
Savage March, gang.
Gang.